Welcome to episode 7. Ik wil me gaan schuldigen. Ik wijs me gewaard van dem. And do 7 minutes. This episode, as we gehoord of the friedige episode, darf Yeshiva das, Harchuvas hadas, en ik heb gewollt met Samson zijn en de kiddes, en wees gedenkt, en if not, wees gejoined. First of all, welcome, Sachem gejoined. Welcome to the group. Nogmaals, de Manung, what the point of their group is. The point of their group is to help and support and encourage mensen was zich een aroos te moffen. At the Manung, weil ich habe gesehen, ich bin ein bisschen auf the general chat wegen dem, about back and forth wegen aroos moffen. Once again, the goal and the focus for their group is to help and promoting, to help and encouraging the menschen was willen aroos moffen. So to give me support, encouragement and itis. And as we geschmiest of the last episode, their episode goes on about how to get the spouse on board, which is something is very common. As a matter of fact, from my experience, when I met a sach menschen wegen a roosmofen, really does it happen as beide zijn on board right away. So Zach was eine will es and the andere darf men aanbrengen in de Zach. So, wie ze kennen deze tien? The episode got me redden wegen dem. Now, a disclaimer, I'm not a marriage counselor, but ich kann sagen, from my experience was gearbeitet. And what gerecht einmal wegen dem of the general chat. There was a lot of good ites over there. Keep it up at the wayside. Ich kann sagen, man ites, meine Gedanken, was gearbeitet von mich. And it's probably nicht arbeiten für jedem, but for some people it might, and that's the point. So, ich ga anfangen mit a stickel Wertel, wat ze had de MS, was ich hab's gehört von mein Ruf, und es hat der Sache geholfen. Gesagt, you know, he made the whole thing like a lot lighter, this whole thing about a roast muffin. Hat gesagt, listen, Tischre geistig an zurück, geistig kimmen zurück. Ja, jemand im Teufel. Nissen, speisig, ein bisschen fahren, ein bisschen nachdem, schreudisch nissen bisschen zurück. Die Zimmer, Tamen sind auf, können wir auch zurückkommen, wir kennen es einfach die Zimmer in New York. Nu, ist 8 Geduschen. Can't sagen in the Heim, es ist nur für 8 Geduschen. It was a nice Wörtel, but ich denke, es hat das Sache geholfen, and it made it lighter, weil amul meint man like, you're gone forever. Easy. Es ist auch noch eine Kette, was ich gewollt rausbringen, sehr wichtig. Menschen machen das, es man meint mit Guide. And that's it, you're signing your life. I'm never returning. Easy. Man make zurückkommen if it didn't work out. There is such a thing, especially hand with alles was guide food. You try it out. Bekimmt. Let me reden wegen the try it actually. Let's get to that. And this is the main kid was geholfen van mich. And ich encourage mensen was fragen mich wegen der Roastmove. And the erste Sache is go and try it. Go for a vacation. And the manish kan wort as the sich zu move dorten. And even if by mistake you're watching this video and you already mentioned, a kapunen wenn du bist dorten, don't mention a word. Imagine you come here, bist du, der manish kan fortwegen moven, just let's enjoy a peaceful vacation for 2 days, take for a weekend, for 2 weeks, whatever it is. And just enjoy. Enjoy yourself. Let the cheshik come for sich allein. Let it become one decision. The goal is, and this is actually in marriage in general, decisions zijn eins. Palestinians, weil uns beide wollen. This is one decision, it's not 2 decisions. Jede Sache ein ist mevater. It's one decision. Let it become one decision. Lass the cheshik come for sich allein. Let the decision come for sich allein. Bring it to the Platz. I didn't kick in how beautiful. Hey, I wouldn't mind living here. When you hear that, you're a winner. Das ist die erste Sache. Die zweite Sache ist, wir kommen erst auf a vacation, let me sagen, husband and wife. There's such a thing of a second tryout. Wir können für ein bisschen länger, let me sagen, wir kommen für 2, 3 Tage, wir können jetzt kommen für 2 Wochen, 3 Wochen. Let's try it out for a longer period, and they will mit den Kindern. See how they'll like it. Amul, die Kinder kommen, sie haben sich stark lieb, sie können bauen, der Geist, sie können sagen, nein, sie wollen nicht weggehen. Sie haben sich stark lieb. Then you're like, wait a second, the Kinder sind mehr zufrieden. The spouse is mehr zufrieden. Then the one that's not on board starts thinking differently. Maybe I should get on board already with this. It's already a different type of decision now. Everybody's liking this. The second tryout. And then the Kinder is gefriert. It doesn't have to be a final decision. That's how I did it, by the way. Ich bin gekommen, a year tryout. Ich habe geredet mit meinem Ruf, mit meinem das Teure. Gesagt, geh für ein Jahr, noch ein Jahr, und wir noch mal reden mit seinem Vater. Don't think about life decisions. You don't have to sign that you can't come back. Nobody's making you sign. If it didn't work out, McKen said again, it's a masi machol yom. It's masi machol yom, especially now with the housing crisis. People are going crazy. You move to a place and you see it's not for you. You move back. Nothing to get worried about. Noch eine kidde is the minute with a spouse that's a little bit skeptical. Talk about we got Ken and Kim excited for visits. Encourage visiting. Maybe it's sitting for a simcha, other if you're in the mood. A Schwester's birthday, make a surprise for 2 days. For a Chanukah party, come and for the tzedek krappen. These are stuff that I do, and it really worked. Encourage as my guide. Tzedek for visits, for simchas, and after the first year it's at cost a bissel mehr because of these trips, but it's an investment. Remember, by doing this movie, you're saving yourself and Klal Yisrael millions. Also encourage as the guys bringing visitors. Mishpocha gaat kimmen. They're gonna enjoy. They're gonna be so excited to come. And taka try wie meer de kent. As soll zijn visitors. Zet machen a große chilek. Deze zijn de Gädאנקן was ik gehad to share met Ink, the points, how to get the spouse on board. Adarabba. Let me know in the general chat. If this was helpful, let me know your opinions about this. I would love to hear from all of you. And once again, share this link with wem de kent sneller. The meer mensen was kimmen of the group in heren deze zaken and have a chance to redden met andere mensen. Ze helpt dat zo zeggen. I can only tell you how excited I am als ik zie the results from this group. Klal Yisrael darf this. With that, Hatzmir, I get in Tog, Hatzloche. See you on the next episode.